All right, now, just like the previous section, we're going to build a linked list from scratch. This is a great exercise for you to practice all the materials in this course. But before we get started, I want to give you a couple of hints. To do this exercise, you need two classes. A node class like this. Here we have a couple of fields, an integer called value, and a node called next. So with this field, we can keep a reference to the next node. We also need a linked list class with these two fields, first and last. We could call them head and tail, but to be consistent with the linked list class in Java, I decided to call these first and last. I would recommend you to follow the same names. So as you will see in my solution, you don't get confused about these names. You can simply compare your code with mine. And here are the methods I want you to implement in this exercise. Add first, add last, delete first, delete last, contains, and index of. These are the essential methods that we need in a linked list. So spend 30 to 40 minutes on this exercise. Do not skip this. It's super important because in the next section, we're going to talk about stacks and queues, and we're going to implement them using a linked list. So linked list is one of those essential fundamental data structures that you need to master. All right, enough talking. So grab a coffee and get started.